Why is there a siren going off?
We are raising Voyagers. We are currently building a tiny house on wheels, attempting to fit our family of 4 in 89 square feet of living space. In today's video, we have to install 5 windows before the rain shuts us down. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. All right, so we got 1 window installed yesterday and we have 5 more to install today. However, it is supposed to be pouring down rain. It's already started a little bit. And then we will have a little bit of time to install the rest of the windows because the next 10 days it's solid rain. So we're gonna try to hustle. All right, starting to rain.
So much for putting in windows. All right, how do we get this thing in?
No, that's okay.
How do we get it in? I'm getting wet.
We will have, in 3 hours, a very brief window of opportunity to install these windows.
Oh my God, just
all right,
let's go. Oh my God.
Did you like that joke? I got plenty of those. By the way, if you like that joke, prove it. The little button right there says like. Give me one of those. I can't be giving these out for free all day. There are like 600 screws in this thing. Oh, you could do one of those SpongeBob 3 hours later. And then you show the 3 hours later, and then I'm opening it up. You see how that's gonna work? All right, do it.
3 hours later.
Chloe, do you want to drill a hole?
Yeah, I already got my shoes on.
All right, come here. Safety first. Oh, I like your tutu. All right, you remember how to use this?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the trigger right here. Can you pull the trigger? Squeeze it real hard. What does that look like?
A snowman!
A snowman. It's a smiley face.
A snowman.
A snowman have those when they make them?
Yeah, snowmen do have smiley faces. That's right. All right, back to work.
Can you see
What?
it?
What? Look! I can see it from over here.
All right, I bet you could do it all by yourself. Push real hard. Yay! Fun stuff.
All right, Lexi, you ready to get back to school?
I am going
Last
to
day
make a
of
smiley
school.
face. I'm going to make smiley face.
You already made a smiley face.
I didn't make a smiley face.
What about this smiley face?
You made that.
You helped me.
I helped you out for a little bit. I want to make my own.
Your own. Okay, here you go. It's heavy.
What are you doing?
I'm getting the V-roll. I'm upping our quality here. See? Get a nice POV shot. All you do is kind of... Oh, that's the wrong way. No one wants to see that.
Up your nose. Is that like a real thing?
No, it's just a little clamp. And,
Oh. Don't you have a head knot or something?
yes, but that's not as cool.
You're a dork.
It burns. It sprays hot metal all over you. And it's too hot to wear long sleeves. But it's my face that's the worst part. I had one hit me right between the lips and burn my lips. You should be using a face shield for this, but considering the current climate, some virus no one's ever heard of, you can't find face shields.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Yeah.
I'll stand right here.
Okay, you gonna take a picture of me?
Mommy, you say cheese too.
Oh, cheese.
so I can take a picture of Daddy.
You're gonna be like a paparazzi. Did you get my picture? Did you take my picture?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I was sneaking up to
You were sneaking up on me, huh?
Mommy,
Yeah.
you'll be quiet.
Okay.
Because we are going to sneak up
Okay.
Someone's taking my picture.
Got it. Guess who take two pictures?
Took my picture.
Tell him what? Oh, I took your picture.
Okay.
I'm finding a birdie
Oh, finding a birdie.
or a plane.
Oh, okay.
Can you help me find a plane? Okay, this will be better. Tweet, 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 tweet. I know what will distract him. If you stay still, a birdie will land on your hand.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, that's what happens. One will maybe land on my arm. You take a pic. So offer it with my camera.
Oh, you want me to
If
take a
there's
picture with
knee
your
that
camera?
lands on
Okay.
me.
What are you doing?
I can't stand cutting without a face shield anymore because it's burning my face. So, this is what I got.
We're losing it over here.
No, this is genius. I'm good to go.
Okay, you do that. I'm gonna go make sure the children are safe.
This works well. Although it's hard to go straight with only one hand.
Oh my goodness. It's bent.
It's still usable. Bend it back a little bit. Survived. It is looking very ominous at the moment.
I think it might rain again.
And currently, let me show you the current situation. It is a tad breezy in here.
We have a few holes cut out.
And they look nice.
They do look nice, but not if it's gonna rain.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Get some heavy wind and some nasty
How
clouds.
dark the sky is. Oh my
I
goodness.
know.
It's
Alright.
gonna start raining. We need to probably, I think we should cover, like, put something up, at least on the ones that we're not working on, in case it starts, you know what I'm saying? Like, in case it starts raining.
Probably. We just passed our 3-hour mark, so we failed that mission.
We're gonna continue trying to install these windows, and hopefully we will get them in before the rain starts again.
You know, they sell this stuff in a can, but I couldn't find the can. But I guess this is a can. You just have to spray it first. We've exposed a lot of metal, and untreated, it will start to rust. Ah! Gross.
I think we're good with weather.
Getting wet.
I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure that if they didn't already think so, our neighbors think we're crazy.
We are.
We are. We're hearing some thunder. So, what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Let's get these windows back up.
so cold. Why is there a siren going off?
What?
Do you hear that?
No, is it a tornado warning?
Felt like someone should be documenting this.
I need tape. Give me the tape. It's like it's so wet that the tape won't stick anymore.
Tape won't stick anymore. Hey, look, a dry shelter over here.
Huh, oh nice. Must it be for you?
It's really coming down.
It's like pouring now. And I can't get my tape to stick. And even my paper towels are wet. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh.
You're doing a good job.
Yeah, thanks. I
A+.
can't even use this tape because it's... And as soon as I finish this, you know it's going to stop raining, right?
Yeah. That's why I'm just standing here waiting for it to stop.
So the sun is back out and the rain has stopped, so we are going to quickly try and install these windows.
And you put this goop on, you want to make sure it's as smooth of a bead as possible, just as I just messed it up, because any big lumps or gaps will cause it to not seal very tightly. And there's not a lot of option to squish the window in too tightly, so it's best to try to get as smooth and even of a bead as possible. And this stuff does not like to come out of the caulk gun. It's thicker than tar. And then I always like to do, listen to me, always.
Always, because you've done this so much.
So many times. I've done it like 1,000 times in my head, and once in person. I always like to do 2 layers. That way, if the first one has a leak in it, there's a second one as backup. And then there's something that the manufacturer doesn't recommend, but it's an even better way to seal it that I'll do towards the end of this video as the very last step. So stay tuned. I'm so weak. My hands are failing.
I don't know why you'd be tired. It's not like you've been working hard lately or anything.
No. Is this the right way up? Yep.
Looks like it. Ooh, nice.
Nice and snug.
I like it. It's good. Alright, we've got Chinese food coming. You think you can get it done in 20 minutes?
Oh yeah. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Ah, I made a mess.
I'm not sure what's weirder, the fact that we are converting a Sprinter van or the fact that I'm videotaping all of it.
Ah!
3 down, 3 to go, right?
Something like that.
Alright, let's do it. I think that one makes the biggest difference in the look of it.
They all do. I personally don't like the way vans look without the windows. Oh, which there are going to be some people leaving comments of you guys are crazy for putting so many windows in your van. We have a plan. Heather, tell them the plan.
I don't know the plan.
Okay. I'll tell them the plan. So we're not actually... first of all, most people object to putting so many windows in a camper van like this, camper conversion, because it allows a lot of heat out and a lot in the winter, and it allows a lot of... Can't talk. I'm tired.
It's been a long day.
Yeah. And it allows a lot of heat in the summer and becomes like a greenhouse. So, now that I'm saying this, it sounds like a bad idea. No, we have a plan. We're not actually using all the windows, so we're going to frame out the windows on the inside to our own shape and size. So the amount of windows is going to cut at least in half, and then we'll insulate what we don't use. We're using the full size versus the smaller ones because it looks better on the outside and they're actually cheaper.
Probably easier to cut out too, right? Like just because you
go significantly easier to cut out.
With the standard, like
these
are things are caught inside.
These are cake to cut out compared to a oddly shaped window, and they look so much better in my opinion. And then we will have a skinnier
A more normal size looking window on the inside,
We will have a
right?
skinnier window. Yeah, I'm tired. That's all I got.
Good job, honey.
Oh yeah, and we'll have window coverings that are thermal resistance, and isn't nap time yet.
Yeah, I'm ready to be done for the day. Can we quit? I just got super black again.
That came out of nowhere.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's kind of been on and off all day.
I swear, I watched the radar really closely, and none of this was supposed to be here, and now there's actually lightning. So it's not recommended to install these during the rain.
Oh man. Ah, the wind's picking up. Oh my goodness.
It is nasty. I don't understand.
Yikes. Oh.
I only have about half an hour more of work to do.
I know, we gotta get this done. This is like a completely one-person job. Like, there's nothing I can do to make it go faster. So I'm just standing here feeling bad that I'm watching you under all the
should feel
stress.
bad.
What?
You should feel bad. I'm doing all the work.
Well, I do my own kind of work.
Try not to rush because you don't want to mess up and...
Ruin the window forever.
Yeah, if you mess this up, it's a nightmare to... I wouldn't even know how to get it off. I think that's time for a professional if you mess it up. I wonder if that was a tornado siren I heard it earlier.
I would be surprised.
And then,
Oh my goodness. Ah! So windy. Crazy.
these windows blow off. So
Oh my
annoying.
gosh.
Alright, this way's up, that way's down.
Nice.
Patty cake, patty cake.
Okay, stop messing around. Let's get the last one on. I think we might be able to finish because it's looking like the clouds, the sun's starting to come out, clouds are clearing up. So I'm hoping that we're in the clear after this one. So last window, so we should be alright.
Dad, wobbly.
Want me to hold it for you?
Oh no, I got it. You just hold
Oh.
the camera. You're fine.
This is so sketchy. You're gonna
What?
fall.
What are you talking about? Everything's fine.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
Everything's
It's so not safe.
Everything's fine.
Woohoo! We did it! You did it.
Alright, we did it.
Please don't fall and hurt yourself.
A lot of play on this side.
Too much?
Yeah, we'll fix it from the inside.
Okay.
Looks very nice.
It looks amazing.
Looking pretty good, pretty good.
So good.
Alright, so finally, normally you would have this rubber trim piece that goes in and blocks the metal, but we are actually going to be trimming our windows out with wood, so we won't need that. Except for this one, and we will use the rubber on this one, I believe. However, if you want to make sure things are extra sealed, and this is what I was talking about before, you can actually apply a secondary bead from the inside. I don't know why the manufacturer doesn't recommend that, but it's just an extra precaution. Especially on this one, these front panels, for some reason with our van, maybe it was dented or something, it's just not adhering to the caulk or the sealant. I put the same size sealant bead across the entire area, but it's just not catching in this area right here. So what I'm going to do is kind of come back in with a fresh tip, a little bit smaller, and then add just an extra layer to guarantee that it will be properly sealed, and I'll make sure I get it to goop up real good inside of there to be a good seal.
So the girls are starting to get a little antsy. It's time for bed, and we need to kind of clean up here, and we will see you tomorrow.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will be linking any products we use in the description. And we have a full build series. So if you guys are just new here, we'll link that build series as well. You can check out the entire process.